All right, let's walk through how to set up and use two-way SMS with ClickSend inside ActiveCampaign. First, go ahead and log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're in, head over to the marketplace and search for ClickSend messaging. When you find it, click Add an Account and enter your ClickSend username along with your API key. Next, you'll want to set up your message settings, specifically choosing which number you'd like to send messages from. After that, we'll map the ClickSend data fields to the corresponding ActiveCampaign fields. There are two important ones to pay attention to here. Make sure you map Auto-Generated Email to ActiveCampaign's email field, and then map From to ActiveCampaign's phone field. Once that's done, you can finish connecting your ClickSend account. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a connected tag next to your ClickSend account username. From here, head over to the Contacts page in ActiveCampaign and select an individual contact of your choice. Inside the Contacts profile, you'll now see the ClickSend messaging panel. Go ahead and open that up. Within this panel, you'll see the ClickSend account you've connected. You can also choose the number you want to send from and access any templates or placeholders you've already created in your ClickSend account. Now, you can simply type out your message. A really handy feature in this panel is the cost calculator. You'll also see a character counter that lets you know if you're going over the limit for a single SMS. If you do, your message will be sent as 2 messages. Once you're ready, go ahead and send your message. As soon as your contact replies, their inbound message will appear directly within the ClickSend messaging panel. And that's it. That's how you can have a seamless two-way SMS conversation with a contact inside ActiveCampaign. Now, another great way to use this feature is by setting up automations. Let's head over to the Automations page, and I'll show you a simple example. We'll start by setting the trigger, so the automation begins when a tag is added to a contact. In this case, the tag is 0304. Next, the action will be to send an SMS through ClickSend. All you need to do here is select your ClickSend account. Optionally, you can choose a sender ID and an opt-out list. Most importantly, you'll enter the message you want to send. You also have the option to include a link, which will automatically be shortened, making it cleaner and easier to read for your contact. Now, if we go back to our contact and add that tag, the automation will trigger. You'll then see the message appear in the ClickSend messaging panel. It will include a small workflow tag, indicating that it was sent via automation rather than manually. And that's how you can automate SMS messaging with ClickSend inside ActiveCampaign.
ClickSend is business communications solved.